Welcome to this Inno Plus presentation. This presentation is instruction on the commissioning and maintenance of Polo, Porcus and Compo air scrubber systems produced by Inno Plus. Commissioning. The aim is to test and adjust the installation, set up and start use, train the user, and hand over the finished product to the client. For this, during commissioning, we use the Site Acceptance Test, or SAT for short. Mainly this is for information capture. We start off with the client's name, the project number, location, house number, the technician's name, and the date of completion. The first checks are for cleanliness. The system needs to be presentable. Remove all waste from the site. Check the filter pot, process water areas, technical room, control panel are clean and sealed, and the pressure room is finished. Is there lighting present? It is good to know if the client has lighting. This is better to be separate from the installation in case of a power isolation or failure. Ventilation. Is the technical room ventilated? Is it passive or active? Record this on the form. Check the connections. Check that there is water in, at least 30 litres per minute at 2 bar. Wastewater connection is available. Pressure difference hoses are installed. pH sensors and taps are open and closed as they should be. Float switches. Are they installed? Are they connected? Are they working correctly? Are they at the right height? And are they the right way up? The maximum float is always installed at 180 degrees to the minimum float. Filter housing. Close the top and bottom purge taps. Remove the lid with the 6 screw knobs. Fill with water at least to the bottom of the incoming pipe. Refit the lid and close the screw knobs hand tight. Make sure this is done with the air scrubber off. For further support, please contact us.